guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul, as you can tell from the title. So I've shot few things from them. It is not really few, it's a little more than that, but I'm trying not to shop for makeup a lot because I already have a lot of makeup that I'm not able to get hold of. So they mostly are the refills and couple of products that I wanted to try. That's it guys, that's all that I've shopped, but still my order was about 5,000. So I have received this pouch from Nykaa, which is supposedly signed by Shannvi Kapoor, so I'm not sure. Okay, so it's quite good, it's a nice quality. I filled in some paper sheddings in that because I wanted it to retain its shape. So in no particular order, I will just dive in to whatever I've got and will show you guys. So it's not going to be full-fledged review, I'm just going to show you guys what all I got, and yeah, that's it. The first thing is this Mr. Bounce. It is a beauty sponge by Pack. And it comes beautifully packed in this one. It also has a holder, if you can tell. This pink, and it is very beautiful. So it is very soft. It's a microfiber sponge. This is one of the products that I wanted to try, and it's a new launch by Pack. So let's see how it performs. Okay, so next I have this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade light to medium. This is my refill. This is not a new product that I'm going to try. I use it and I ran out of it. And the next I have is Bare Anatomy hair serum. It is ultra smoothing hair serum expert. I really wanted to try it because I've heard very good things about it, because my hair, you can see, are going a little bit frizzy these days, so I obviously needed something to tame it down. So that's why I wanted to try this Bare Anatomy hair smoothing, because I've heard that it really smoothens, it really calms your hair down, so I really wanted to try. So the next thing is also in the hair category, which is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. This is my refill. So normally I take a small bottle of it because a little goes a long way. You just need a very little product. It's very slimy, and you can just do with a little tiny bottle, and it lasts you for a really long time. The last one I could not finish and it got expired, so this time I've ordered a smaller one. So the next thing I have is from Nykaa, and this is their recent launch All Day Matte Foundation. It is the All Day Matte Foundation, and this is the foundation that I have on today, and it is a beautiful formulation. I'm going to shoot a complete review on this because this product deserves it. I'm in the shade Maple 10. If you're anywhere close to my skin tone, you can go for this shade. And Maple 10 is a very latter shade in the shade card, but it is light, so you might want to consider that. I went to the Nykaa store near me and got my shade matched. You want to do that. So the next thing I have is another one of Nykaa's foundation, which is a Skin Genius foundation. I've heard so many good things about it, and this is also something that I've got to try because it gives you very natural finish. And these days I'm into a natural makeup. I don't want full coverage foundations. So I'm in the shade Almond Beige, which is the number 2 shade, and it goes perfectly with my skin tone because you can share it out, and when you share it out, it matches your skin tone, so you can go one up or one down with your skin tone. So next thing I have is a refill, which is my e.l.f. 18-hour Camo Concealer, and this thing needs no introduction, guys. It just does not need any introduction. So So many people rave about it, so many people use it, and I am in the shade medium beige, and it is a full coverage concealer. So what I do is I go with a very sure BB cream or a very sure foundation, and then just conceal the areas where I need to, because my skin is doing very good these days, touch wood, and it does not need so much foundation. So I don't give it that much foundation, because you know, at the end of the day it's still makeup. So yeah, this is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I am in the shade medium beige, and I have the one with matte finish because I have oily skin, so I need the one with matte finish. It just does not matte you out like flat matte. It mattes you out like a very comfortable matte where you know, it looks very natural matte. So the next thing I have is by e.l.f. Cosmetics only. It is their tone adjusting face primer, and it is brightening lavender. This is for 700 rupees for 14 ml. This is a beautiful product. It just if you have yellow undertones, if your face is feeling very tan, face is looking very tanned, and you have you know, sometimes you just want to tone down the yellow in your skin, this is great for that. The only problem with this is it is 14 ml for 700 rupees. For some people it might not be a good choice because you don't get that much product. I use it because I don't use it on a daily basis. I only use it when I'm feeling tan. For daily basis, I use my Insight primer. Also, I go with my MAC Prep and Prime spray a little bit before I start doing my makeup, and then tap it, and that works perfectly fine. And this is for the days when I'm feeling very tanned. And let me show you, when you pump it out, it is very purple. It looks really purple. Okay guys, so I'm looking upwards sometimes because that's where my viewfinder is. So whenever I need to check if it is in the view, so I look upwards, so just ignore that. So this is how it looks like, very purple, but when you blend it in, it is not purple. It goes very transparent, it goes super smooth, and your foundation glides beautifully on top of it. I can't rave enough about this primer, but the only thing is you get a very little quantity. If you can do with that, it's perfect, it's amazing. It also comes in one more variant, which is green, which is supposed to you know, calm down the redness on your skin. Then I have the OG e.l.f. bite size eyeshadows. I got the shade Berry Bad and Rose Water. These were very fascinating to me. Yay, this one I have ripped off. That I was trying to rip off because I have this thing, I have this itch where I remove all these stickers from my product. So I was trying to do that and it could not. I will do that later. So by the time I decided to film this video, so I have in the shade Very Bad and Rose Water. These are the beautiful shadows. Let me open that. Fuck, my nails were done, so I just broke my eyeshadow palette and I feel horrible. Okay, so it is like what happens. So I just broke this, but it is a beautiful shadow, if you can tell. I'll just keep it because I'm trying to fix it with some rubbing alcohol. Okay, so I managed to save this, and this is the one. It is Very Bad. So I got two because e.l.f. was running an offer, buy one get one, so I got two of them. And then I have this OG foundation, which is my L'Oreal Infallible. So I'm in the shade 220 Sable Sand, and the foundation looks like. Most of you might have seen this foundation. It's a very old foundation, and this is the variant Fresh Wear. It is 32-hour fresh wear, and it has SPF 25 and vitamin C. I really like it. It has a very beautiful coverage, to be honest. This is the foundation that I've used for years. I always have this in my vanity, always. So the next thing I have is Mars makeup kit, and it is All I Need makeup kit in the shade 01. I've heard so many things about it, and I wanted one palette which is one all palette where you have everything. So I think this is the one. This palette has beautiful pigmentation and everything of that sort. It has some shimmery color, it has a blusher, it has highlighter, it has bronzer, and then few eyeshadows. And swatch few for you. Look at that. This is how pigmented it is. So the other one was very light, so you could not see. Glitter pigment is also very beautiful. So this is the glitter pigment, and if I swatch it, it's like that. Oops, like that. It is very beautiful. So I really liked it. So it could be one all palette for me, where I can just take this palette and be good to go. So I bought that. It was not very expensive. It was around it was under 400 rupees, which was great for this kind of product. The highlighter in this one is also beautiful. It would be safe to say that it is it can be a dupe of Mary Luminizer from the Balm. Very good product. There's one thing that I just realized about this Mars palette, that the glitter shade, once you try to remove it, it gets everywhere as a chunky glitter, so you might want to consider that. Okay, so the next thing I have is LA Girl Pro Concealer. Come on, who does not know about this one? And I'm in the shade Pure Beige. It's a very beautiful concealer, but the amount of product that you get is very less, so you have to keep repurchasing it, but I think it's worth the money. So with that, we've come to the end of the video, and the only thing which is left to show you guys is something very basic. So this was the last product in my haul, and the MRP of this is 1250 and I got it at 650, which is around 50% off, and it is never in this price, I tell you. And this shampoo and conditioner duo is actually expensive for some people. I mean, there are more expensive shampoos and conditioner out there, but still I got it at 50%. So that was it. That was all about my video, guys. And if you like this video, please like this video. If you like this video, okay, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you don't like this video and you want me to improve something, please hit the thumbs down. I would like to do that as well. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Seriously, I have so many videos coming up, so I don't want you to miss out on those, and they're very interesting. Trust me on that one. And also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. We have 22k people joined with me there, and it would be fun. I post a lot on Instagram, so you will get to see more behind the scenes. You'll get to see what I do. Also, few of these products I use on Instagram and I show you guys up close and personal. So do follow me on Instagram. Do not forget to do that. Also, subscribe to my channel, and it's free. And do not forget to hit that notification bell, because I don't know what YouTube is doing with their algorithm, because most of the time you don't even get the suggestions for the videos that are your favorite content creators. Even I don't get them, so I always hit the notification bell for whoever I don't want to miss a video on. Till then, have a great day, have a great time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.